Children's Book Week! How do you book? Under a tree? On the computer? At the beach? Or in bed?
Wait a minute. What's going on here? Something doesn't seem right.
We were pretending to be our puppets. Did we trick you?
Oh, that was a funny trick, guys. I thought something didn't look quite right. Oh, very interesting. Well, we hope you all are having a very fun Children's Book Week. Did you check out all of our giveaways and everything going on? We hope you check it out because there's some great books and some puppets like me, the Plain Little Unicorn, and so much more fun. So don't forget to check it out, right, Bear and Ellie?
Yeah.
Okay. Happy Children's Book Week, everyone.